Welcome to our exploration of the ancient Sanskrit concept, Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. This phrase, which roughly translates to, as is the microcosm, so is the macrocosm, holds profound meaning in Vedic philosophy.
The concept suggests that patterns and principles found in the smallest parts of existence are mirrored in the largest scales of the universe. It implies a fundamental unity between all levels of reality. In the human body, we see this reflected in how our chakra system mirrors the structure of our solar system. Each chakra corresponds to a planet, showcasing the interconnectedness of our inner world with the cosmos. Even our DNA, the blueprint of life, shares a spiral structure with galaxies. This visual similarity hints at a deeper connection between life and the universe at large. Nature itself demonstrates this principle through fractals, patterns that repeat at different scales. From the veins of a leaf to the branches of lightning, we see similar structures across vastly different sizes. This ancient wisdom aligns with modern scientific theories, such as the holographic principle in physics, which suggests that information about an entire region of space can be encoded. Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande invites us to see the unity in diversity, the cosmic in the mundane. It encourages us to look deeper, finding universal truths in our everyday experiences. Thank you for joining us on this journey from the microcosm to the macrocosm. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.